volunteer working groups. So we have a set of working groups. In Delhi, Adesh and Vandana Goyal, wherever there is a CDOT couple, there is a good hunting ground. Because we get two people in one shot. We know that Indra Surli's living proof is this event is happening so nicely.
Yeah, I'm still single.
Where is Rekha Sethi? Rekha Sethi?
That is Rekha Sethi.
Director General of AIMA. She is the Director General of AIMA.
He is a big star. So I think that IIM case study we are thinking she has done very well for herself. I think we have to do all CRTNs who have done well, get them in, including effective people. Doesn't matter what their position is, but it helps because they can make something happen. Bipin Tyagi, Saujat Sen, Sujata Sharma, these are some of the people volunteered or volunteered by me. More volunteers are welcome. Okay, feel free to let me know. Sujata was nice to call me all the way and say that look, count me in, put me somewhere. In Bangalore, we have Abdullah Khan, Narsimha Prabhu, Sita Raman, Shravan, A.K. Prasad, B.S. Kumar, C.S. Rao, myself. Hyderabad, B. Krishnamurthy, Australia, Hariharan, US, Sushil Shukla in West Coast, G.N. Swami in East Coast. Want more volunteers? He's in Washington, near Washington.
Matanga is in Bombay. I am in touch with him.
So these are some of the initial thinking of the working group. We would like to add more people, some of the senior folks here into some of these things after talking to them. Funding, C.S. Rao and me and a few more will come. CDOT social network. C.S. Rao can connect with a lot of big guys. And he already said that's he can do that.
He is the right guy.
Right. CDOT social networking. Vinod Sood had volunteered. I know that it has to be done. It has to be tech savvy. He can do a great job organizing that. Khan and Sita Raman, many others will assist him. PR. I mean, we are thinking, counting on Adesh and Vandana and others. CDOT IM case study. Thinking is Rekha. I think we have not yet spoken to her.
I can because I have some conflict with them.
Yeah, for TCO, you have a...
Yeah. So, CDOT IM case study, seminars, panel discussion, myself, C.S. Rao, Shravan, Adesh, Saudar, Krishnamurthy, B.S. Kumar, Hariharan, Narsimha Prabhu. It's a long list. This is going to be a little difficult one to organize. We have to chip in. Beyond Silver Jubilee, Krishnamurthy and myself and more. Australia activities, Hariharan. North America activities, Shukla and G.F. Swami. CRTNs get together, Bipin Tyagi, Sita Raman. Where is Tyagi? He is still on his way. Okay. Sita Raman, Sujata Sharma, Hemadri Mehta, more. CRT souvenirs and mementos. Again, I don't know, Adesh, we should not too much, but I think you have to find somebody.
There are a couple of other names people who have written in response to those web mails. I'll forward the names.
We have a lot of names. See, this is a crowd I know well. I know this guy is good here. The other people we should collect, then talk to a number of people. Where is this guy fit in very well? We have to do a little bit investigation and push into one of those slots. So the program is a very tentative program. I think now this changes kind of. Sam is saying let's organize spread over a longer period of 25 days. We have to see, we have to examine the feasibility of doing that. This originally thought we have a one-day program in Delhi. There's a seminar, lunch, family events, press conference, then exceed until a cozy family dinner. And similar thing in Bangalore and something in Bombay. Now we are thinking of dropping Bombay, and then rest of the world. Some seminar if they want optionally and family events. But I think this will get recast. Now probably next 2-3 days we will come with a draft. I think here we have CRTN count we are trying to build. Some do's and don'ts. While we celebrate our success, do not underplay, criticize others, DRDO, CSIR, DOT, etc. Be constructive as much as possible, be careful on criticisms. Be ready to acknowledge the contribution of others. It is not only a Rajiv Gandhi success, Advani, Arun Shourie, academics, many people. I think somewhere or other we have to recognize this. Leave a positive glow behind, not just a boastful self-congratulation. So what needs to be done immediately? Get this okayed by the governing council and the steering committee. Some of the members are here. I met with Sam yesterday. I think Mr. Mimamsi is very much in picture. Dr. Pitke is flying. He's in Singapore. I think we will catch hold of him soon. We will get that thing done. Identify the working group leaders and members. Quickly get the networking completed. Ask all working groups to come with a clear action plan and budget. Decide on tentative budgets and in parallel work on funding. Start collecting right away. A lot needs to be done. Allow people to attach to different working groups and get going. So major milestones. Interim coordination group broadly, informally, Khan, Sita Raman, Sood, myself and Mr. Mimamsi. We were driving this so far. Now we will hand over to a formal group. Initial Google group done. Seek preliminary ideas done. Consolidate all this into a first draft plan done. get okay for the format structure program. That's what we are going through. Meeting Sam, talking to others and stuff. I think that will be done in the next, by today I wanted, maybe another day. Delegate working group responsibilities. Phase 1, we have something, a few more calls, we have immediate action, we will have the responsibilities identified. Preliminary action plan finalized. Delegate working group responsibilities. Phase 2, this should be complete by another week. Register society, create bank account for contribution, initiated by 25th June. Get startup operations funding by the same time. Detailed action plan by 30th June. Sounds difficult but has to be done. Set up a clear system of CDOTians to contribute funds. Refine and finalize topic speakers, panel discussions. Working groups to present their first draft. Maybe we can meet together in the same venue, brainstorm over a weekend that and finalize that program suggested by working group chiefs. Complete a collection of entire CDOT alumni contact list by 30th June. Launch CDOT alumni web portal phase 1 by 15th July. Finalize program dates. I mean, still we are debating on that. Whether it's a 25-day program or 1 week program, I think that we have to zero in the next few days. After this event is done, reconstitute the working groups for the post-Silver Jubilee activities on 30th August. This is a broad first level milestone. So summary, last slide. After that, I'm going to keep quiet. I'm going to listen. CDOT was a wonderful experience for all of us. 25 years later, with hindsight, today we are able to see what we really achieved. And we are happy, proud and excited when we think about it. Let's celebrate this day in a meaningful way. This can be a new beginning. We want to leave behind something to feel equally proud of about 10 years later. It's something we can tell proudly our grandchildren, those of us who are yet to have moved on. I think like we are today looking back 35 years back, in future we should be able to look back. On this occasion we launched something which was also equally effective. There is a deep yearning in many of us to continue to make a big difference, bigger the better. Let us not hesitate to dream big as CDOTians. We had a habit of making dreams come true. Finally, we are trying to do something. Are we trying to do something too big? Are we trying to bite larger than what we can show? Apparently, it looks like everybody will have that thinking in their mind. Well, that's how familiar. That was what CDOT was all about. Did not everyone ask the same question 25 years about back to us? Are you trying to do something? Are you joking? Will the central office switch with the